Hi friends, I am Bree True. I am back today to talk about scrunching out the crunch. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I make curly hair videos, and if you are not new and you have seen some of my past videos, you know that I talk about scrunching out the crunch all the time. Scrunching out the crunch is something that you should be doing if you have used gel or custard or anything like that to hold your hair when you are styling. Sorry, my voice sounds a little raspy. I don't know why. Maybe I'm getting sick. I don't know. It sounds a little bit weird. So let's jump into this quick little video. So the first thing you want to do when your hair is all dry is test it. I'm not even talking about the scrunching process yet. I want you to test your hair to make sure that it really is totally dry. Take a section up near your roots, take a little curl clump, and then just squish it in between your fingers. And if it feels cold or damp or anything of the sort, you still need to diffuse or air dry. So once you have tested that your hair is all dry and ready to be scrunched, you need to protect your hair from your hands somehow. There are different methods to do this. Some people like to use a cotton t-shirt and just place that over their hands and then begin scrunching. I personally love using oils, and my favorite oil is the one that I'm going to show you here. This is argan oil, and you really only need a few drops if you're using oil. I mean like 3. That's what I do. And then I rub my hands together really well, and I just make sure that my hands all look coated. Now once you've got your hands coated with your oil of your choice, go ahead and just run it over the tops of your hair. Go from the bottom, go from the top, inside, outside, just kind of coat over your hair. And it looks like I'm doing praying hands here, but I'm really not touching my hands together. I'm still just gently gliding over the outside of my hair. This is just giving my hair an extra protection, an extra sealant. Oil is an emollient, so what it does is seal in all the work that you've done. We don't want to lose any of that definition. We don't want to cause frizz. We just want to make our hair look bouncy. So when you're ready to scrunch, I do it by flipping my head over. You don't necessarily have to flip your hair over. If you are a wavy curly, I recommend it because your hair is just going to respond better to this at the roots. I go ahead and just start scrunching from the bottom like I do when I'm styling my hair, and I'm doing this a lot more gently than I would if I were actually styling my hair. When I'm styling my hair, I squish it in. Like I scrunch my hair really hard until I hear that squishing sound because there's water in my hair and products, and I want to make sure it's penetrating my hair. This is a different story. I don't want to squish really hard. I want to squish really gently so that I'm just kind of breaking up that outer molding around all that good stuff that we already sealed into our hair. Make sure that when you're scrunching, you flip your head from side to side at least once. Just make sure you're getting your hair from all different angles, and especially at your roots for you wavy curlies. And another tip for you wavy curlies like me, go ahead and take your hands, spread your fingers apart, and then slide them in next to your scalp. Shake around a little bit and then pull them straight back out the way you came. And that's going to help just break up the roots even better and make it look a lot more natural for us. And there you have it, scrunched hair that now looks natural and ready to go for life. I will show you a before picture where my hair is still crunchy, it's got that cast over it, and it looks great and defined, but it's not really a look that I want to wear out. Now, this is kind of a wet look. So if you're into that whole Kim Kardashian, you know, Sophie Turner kind of thing right now, this might be something that you'd want to do for a special occasion. But on most normal days, we want our hair to look natural, we want it to look fluffy and bouncy and just ready to go about life. So this is the after picture of scrunching out that crunch. I hope this helped clear up any misconceptions you might have about scrunching out the crunch, and if it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I will leave a link to the argan oil that I use to scrunch out my crunch in the description box below. I must be getting sick. So check that out, and feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you in my curl family. Check out my channel to see any other curly hair related videos, and until then, I will see you next time. Bye!